And we're live. Hey guys, welcome. It is what day is it? It's Friday. It's Friday, November 2nd. Let's get me back up on here, shall we? There we go. Got it. I'm back. We did some rearranging of the desks up here, so got some work projects over there, and over here we got lots of room to work and get stuff done. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into the markets. Okay, Bitcoin USD. We're on the day chart right now. Let's take a look. Well, we're stuck in the doldrums. This is as I zoom out here and give you a better look at what's happening. We're trading into this massive wedge. It kind of started way back here in June, 24th of June, and has been holding steady with this line of support. Let's hope it stays that way. But it keeps kind of coming down to test it, and I'm curious if it's going to continue to hold. It's leaving a lot of people wondering. Let's take a look here. The current price is $6,344. We have had some slight slippage from the last video that I did. Actually, no, from the last video I did, it's gone up. So we're doing okay. Moving on to Litecoin. Litecoin is working its way up the last 3 days, which is really good. We're up at $50.97. Now, if you look at Litecoin is outperforming Bitcoin right now. We're heading up to the LTC BTC chart on Coinbase on the 1 day, and you can clearly see that down below here we have 3 days of Litecoin running higher. So it's gaining. Litecoin is gaining in strength, while Bitcoin is dipping just a little bit. So yeah, it looks like Litecoin, if you were holding Litecoin or Bitcoin, holding Litecoin now seems to be the better part of the trade. The better one to hold. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum sure has been kicked down. I mean, it's below $200 at 198, and boy, I tell you, to be the cornerstone for most of the ERC20 tokens, and I'm hearing now we have new things out, ERC 777, ERC 820 or something like that. There's all these new ERC rebrandings, I guess. So and they all are kind of basically upgrades from the ERC20. Yeah, you can do more research on that if you're interested, but it's for Ethereum to be the cornerstone for all of these other altcoins, it seems like for it to be below $200 would be like really undervalued. So let's take a look here. We got to really blow up the chart to look at this because it's been so dead. In the last 3 days, we've been moving up. Looks like we had a low recently of right around 191. So hopefully we continue this uptrend. We're below the Kumo cloud. If this trend continues to go up, I'd love to see it test the bottom of the Kumo cloud. That would be fantastic. Moving on now to Veritasium. Let's take a look and see how that's doing. Veritasium trading in a channel. I kind of put this down. I moved into the 4 hour. You can see the day chart has been selling off for 6 days in a row here. That's when I just count the Heikinashi 6 red candles, but it's been selling off for 8 days. We topped out on the 26th of October up here at, looks like the price was at 0073, and I think I have a target price of down here at 0041. I think we're going to get a bounce around down here, but it could it could turn around at 0049. So I'm kind of keeping an eye on that right now. With Veritasium, on Bittrex, I'm sorry, uh, on HIT BTC, there is a massive sell wall. Somebody had like 1,600 Veritasium for sale right at 0059, and I'm gonna zoom in on the 5-minute chart to show you what that looks like, because look at that flat top, right? So right here, the whale came in, and right here he placed an order. He put a sale of 1,600, I believe, Veritasium, plus or minus. Last I looked, it was down to like 1,200, but he's just got it parked right here. So it's a massive sell wall. So you're not going to see price action go above that until that sell wall is removed or bought up. So anyway, there may be an arbitrage opportunity here against other exchanges if their price happens to move higher. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, moving on. Let's take a look at, let's take a look down here at, where'd it go? Oh, you know what? I really wanted to sit down and look at Theta, because a lot of us really like Theta over here. Let's move back to the day chart so we know, kind of have a bird's eye view of what's been happening. Here we go, right here. Theta continues its uptrend and is still looking good. So I have an arrow here. I drew it a couple days ago, and it's still continuing. So let's continue to move that out. I think you're going to continue to see some good things out of Theta. So yeah, overall looking real healthy and strong. If I move into the 4-hour chart on Theta, we have just this nice stair steppage, kind of working our way up. Looks like we bottomed out down here and are now working our way back up again. All of the indicators appear to be moving up to the upside, so I'm really excited about that. Theta looking really good. Let's visit Tron. Tron, I had tons and tons of high hopes, and then it kind of fell out of bed here. It's kind of regrouping. This is the 4-hour chart, so like the last 16 hours it's been running up, but as I move into the day chart, we've had 2 solid days of green. So this could mean a recovery. I'm not sold on it yet, but it is close. So let's just watch it. I'm thinking that this honestly, I'm gonna put this out here because we got to keep it real. I think what we're gonna do is just stay in the Kumo cloud, trade sideways, and then later just fall out. So and then we'll have an opportunity to go upside later. So yeah, I do like Tron, but yeah, it's having a bit of a hard time right now. So but let's keep an eye on it. It could surprise us and move higher. Who knows? But actually, when I take a look at this, I don't know. This is my first option, down and then up. But yeah, I still like Tron. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a blessed weekend, and I hope that your trades are super prosperous and successful. All right, talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.